my hair in a bow. Well, Carmen Electra meets Marilyn Monroe. I sang in the choir after taking a toke. I like to drink my whiskey with a splash of cherry coke. I change up my hair to keep my past unknown. I'm a horrible blonde cause my roots always show. I'm a good, good girl with the bad girl touch. Good, good girl with the bad girl touch. Good, good girl. Good girl with the bad girl touch. I believe in the soul I still love. Sex, pot, rock and roll. I'm a good